Hi guys, this is Adam from Adrenaline Cycles again, coming at you with a build that we finally got complete here for James doors. And just want to go over everything. Like I said, we give you a little preview of stuff we had going on. We got the buggy done for him. He's here to pick it up today. So I want to give a quick walk around to show what we can do for you guys here at the shop. Start at the front. We'll just do a walk around. We put the new S3 bumper on here. We done away with the little hoop. So you know, he can mount light bars in the future. Just got more protection for the grill than the factory bumper. Kept factory winch, 4,500 pound, no problem. Coming on around to the side, you'll see we got CT boxed arms on the front as well. We done talked about that. Uppers and lowers. We got CA Tech limit straps on the front as well. We did put CA Tech ball joints in the machine as well, so it's, you know, bulletproof pretty much. Got a Gusset kit in it as well from CT. I mean, if this guy's going to go out, I mean, he'd go to King of the Hammers in a few weeks in this thing. Moving on around here, you guys will probably see the wiper that we've got installed here with the fluid tank to, you know, clean your windshield off. We did keep the intrusion bar. We've had a lot of people ask about the intrusion bar working with the windshield. We just cut it out and put our caps in there. Bolts on just fine. Along the side, you'll see, went with the BRP aluminum doors with the integrated handle, BRP upper doors, and our brand tree bars here that we have manufactured. Opening up the buggy here, we'll look inside. And I'll just go over it while you can shoot. We got audio forms, level 10,000 roof. This is a custom. Got more speakers than, you know, the nicest Cadillac you'll buy. Is under the seat, in the back, in the top, they're everywhere. So this one was, you know, rushed in from audio forms to get this guy having some cool tunes. You'll also, we can see in here, we got the BRP tablet holder, door bags here, uppers and lowers on the aluminum door, as well as center storage bag. We got a CB down in the console area there, so the guy can talk to all the people riding with him, as well as a bunch of switches for the cutouts that we have on the exhaust from Evo. This thing has Evo tune, Evo blow-off valve, silicone tubes, the Evo exhaust, the Evo cat with the cutout for the exhaust. Got our air kit on it as well to help cut out some of the noise that he might have. Coming on around, you'll see we got some whips on here so you can be seen. 1 3-footers on each side with our mounts that we have here in stock. They work out really good, so, you know, straightforward, simple. Got a rear window here because he does have the enclosure, so it'd work with the speakers that we have here. Coming on around the back, like I mentioned, the Evo exhaust, all that there. With the cutout header, really, really nice. The CT Works pull plate with all rods, lowers, middle, and upper. And again, guys, put the boots on your heim joints. They'll go a lot longer, twice the life for not a lot of money. So go ahead and do that, little tip. Air kit. Coming on around, we'll see the sway bar I talked about before, which is the Halo quick disconnect, so you can have full range of motion if you're out there rock crawling or whatever, but when you want to get on the blacktop, you lock it back in. Coming around to the side, on the passenger side, we can get a view of the subs underneath the seat. They are 10s under both seats. They sound great. I mean, this thing, you know, I'd put it up against anybody's. I mean, it's really, really nice. Quick note, if you do use the subs, you got to keep the seats up in the high position. So if you're tall like me, you might not like it. I guess that's about it, guys. I mean, want to thank James for letting us do this build. I mean, the guy pretty much said, you know, this is what I want. What do you think? And we added more to it. And we got to this buggy, and it's awesome. I mean, we're really, really proud of it. It looks really great. He's keeping the stock tires on it to play with it for a little bit, and he's going to move on up to some KMCs with some 35 Warriors on them, and you might have seen them on the video when we walked around on the other side. But we're going to let him take and enjoy this thing. He's been patiently waiting a little bit today on us, and we're going to let him take a quick rip and enjoy this buggy. Guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe for it so we can keep doing this stuff. And keep bringing videos to you guys, builds, you know, the customers like this stuff too. And it just shows you what we can do. Here's the tires. If we didn't show you, 35 Warrior on a 15-inch KMC. So he's done running these on another buggy he's got, and I'm running them. I like them. So he's going to take these home, put them on after he wears out these, and probably a few nights on this weekend. So because it's got, like I said, a tune and a bunch of horsepower, and it's going somewhere. Like, again, guys, like and subscribe, and if you want a buggy like this or just need some parts and accessories, just give us a shout. Click the link in the bottom to go to the website, and hope to hear from you.